If you work for a company that has a parent company, branch, subsidiary, or affiliate in Canada, you may be able to secure a Canadian work permit through the Intra-Company transfer program. The Intra-Company category permits international companies to temporarily transfer qualified employees to Canada for the purpose of improving management effectiveness, expanding Canadian exports, and enhancing competitiveness in overseas markets. Qualified inter-company transferees require work permits and are exempt from the labour market impact assessment, as they provide significant economic benefit to Canada through the transfer of their expertise to Canadian businesses. This program applies to foreign nationals from any country, including under the General Agreement on Trade in Services, and citizens of a country that has signed a free trade agreement with Canada, such as the North American Free Trade Agreement, Canada-Chile Free Trade Agreement, Canada-Korea Free Trade Agreement, among others. Extensions may be granted up to 5 and 7-year maximums. You may apply for work permit under the general provisions and intra-company transferees if you are currently employed by a multinational company and seeking entry to work in a parent, a subsidiary, a branch, or an affiliate of that enterprise. Transferring to an enterprise that has a qualifying relationship with the enterprise where you are currently employed and will be undertaking employment at a legitimate and continuing establishment of that company. Being transferred to a position in an executive, senior managerial, or specialized knowledge capacity. Have been employed continuously by the company that plans to transfer you outside Canada in a similar full-time position for at least 1 year in the 3-year period immediately preceding the date of initial application. Extensions for ICTs may be granted up to the 5 and 7-year maximums. The Canadian and foreign enterprises must be legal entities that have a parent, subsidiary, branch, or affiliate business relationship. Both the Canadian and foreign companies must be or will be doing business. Startups in Canada may be eligible for this program as well. In such cases, the startups must have adequate finances in order to hire and retain staff. There are 3 types of foreign workers that may be eligible for the program. These are executives and senior managers, functional managers, and workers with advanced specialized knowledge. If you fall into one of these categories, you must meet the following criteria. First is that you've been working continuously on a full-time basis for your foreign employer for at least 1 year in the last 3 years. The position offered to you by the Canadian entity should be similar to your current position. You are coming to Canada temporarily, and you must comply with all immigration conditions for entry. There are some cases where part-time or less than 1 year of employment with the foreign company may still be eligible for ICTs. Some factors will be considered by IRCC for these special circumstances. If your job is at the managerial, executive, or professional level, you may also be eligible for a 2-week application processing. The ICT work permit allows qualified foreign nationals to work legally in Canada while potentially opening various permanent residency paths as well. Your spouse, common law partner, and dependent children are also eligible for a work permit or study permit and come with you to Canada. Please contact your trusted immigration consultant, Jessica Sabanescio, at www.fusionimmigration.com to discuss your eligibility for this program. This video is brought to you by Fusion Immigration, your pathway to Canada.